Skin and a damaged barrier are not the same thing. And fixing the wrong one is why your products won't work. Dry skin lacks oil, and a barrier that's damaged lacks structure. If your skin feels dry but calm, that's dryness. And if it feels tight, reactive, or unpredictable, well, that's barrier damage. And here's the problem. Most routines treat dryness when the barrier is the issue. So if your skin keeps reacting or changing, it's not just dry. If your routine feels inconsistent, start here.